Below this video are millions, thousands? Not yet. Okay, hundreds of hours of free play-along content. Ding! I created these videos to help you build your chops, your technique, your limb independence, your timing, and so much more by being able to listen in to perfect rhythmic interpretation and play along with it. Each video includes a BPM range as low as 20 beats per minute to as high as 240 beats per minute, moving up one click at a time. Oh, that's why it's so long. To quickly skip to a BPM that you want to practice at, all you have to do is click on the description and go to the timestamps at the bottom of the description. Now at the top of the description are some links. When you go to those links, it makes it much easier to browse the resources on my website rather than going through my feed, which just has a bunch of content kind of spread out over time. If you prefer to stay on my YouTube channel, you can instead just go to the playlist tab or to the home page, which has everything organized by different playlists. In addition to all of the play-along content that releases each Friday, I'm also going to periodically release some videos that demonstrate some different technique and chop exercises to help improve your drumming. Now, if you're curious what my qualifications are, you can check out my CV on my website. The only thing that I ask from you is that you engage with the content to help spread the word about the free resources on my channel. Thanks.